Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will delve into the multitude of the reasons why people are drawn to nature and choose to stay overnight. We will explore the captivation aspects of the natural world and the unique experience it offers when we embrace the opportunity to spend a night immersed in its beauty. People are instinctively drawn to nature for a variety of the reasons. One of the primary motivations is the innate desire to seek solace and tranquility away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Nature provides an escape from the constant noise, stress, and the fast pace of our modern society. Nature has an incredible ability to rejuvenate our minds and bodies. The captivation beauty of landscapes, whether it be serene forest, majestic fountains, or idyllic meadows, has a calming effect on our sense. Spending time in nature allows us to recharge, breathe in fresh air, and experience a sense of peace that is often elusive in our daily life. Another reason people go to nature is the deep connection it fosters with the earth. Nature reminds us for our place in the world and our interconnectedness with the living beings. The gentle rustling of leaves, the melodious songs of birds, and the vibrant colors of flowers awaken a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world. Nature offers an escape from the artificiality of our digital lives. In a world dominated by the screens and technology, spending time in nature allows us to unplug and reconnect with our surroundings. It provides an opportunity to disconnect from our devices and rediscover the simple joys of being present in the moment. Furthermore, nature offers a unique setting for self-reflection and introspection. Away from the distraction and the demands of daily life, we can pause and reflect on our thoughts, goals, and aspirations. Nature's vastness and timelessness can provide valuable perspective and clarity as we navigate the complexities of our personal journey. Staying overnight in nature offers a whole new dimensions of experience and benefits. It allows us to fully immerse ourselves in the natural environment and witness its transformation as the day transitions into the night. The experience of spending a night in nature deepens our connections and appreciation for the rhythms of the natural world. Camping under the stars is a mesmerizing experience that captivates the imagination. The vast expanse of the night sky, adorned with the countless twinkling stars, evokes a sense of the wonder and the awe. It reminds us of our place in the universe and it invites contemplation of the mysteries that lie beyond our earthly realm. Staying overnight in nature also offers the opportunity to witness the nocturnal activities of wildlife. As the sun sets and the darkness envelops the surroundings, a whole new cast of the creatures emerges. The symphony of nocturnal sounds and the chance to observe nocturnal animals in their natural habitats provide a deeper understanding and the appreciation of the diverse ecosystems that exist. Camping overnight allows us to experience the tranquility and the silence of nature during the nighttime hours. The absence of city noise and artificial lights creates an environment of the pure serenity. The stillness of the night provides a space for reflection, rejuvenation, and an escape from the constant stimuli of our everyday lives. Moreover, spending a night in nature fosters a sense of resilience and self-sufficiency. Setting up camp, tending to the campfire, and the navigation, the challenge of outdoor living require resourcefulness and adaptability. It allows us to tap into our primal instincts, connect with our ancestral roots, and develop a deeper appreciation for the basic necessities of the life. And there you have it. The allure of nature and the decision to stay overnight are driven by various factors, including the desire of tranquility, the need for rejuvenation, the yearning for connection, and the opportunity for self-reflection. Spending a night in nature enhances this experience, providing a deeper connection to the environment and an appreciation for the wonders that unfold after the sunsets. So venture out into the great outdoors, embrace the beauty of nature, and allow yourself to be captivated by the magic of spending a night in its embrace. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found this information enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more captivating content like this. And as always, feel free to leave any questions for comments down below. Happy exploration, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay wild.